How to fix stuck loading screen in CarX Street. I'm going to tell you how to fix stuck loading screen in CarX Street. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can cause loading issues, so try restarting your router if needed. 2. You can try to restart the game. It's as simple as closing the game and reopening it. Make sure to fully exit the game, then relaunch it to see if it fixes the problem. Update the game. Ensure you have the latest update installed. Verify game files. For PC players, verifying the integrity of your game files can resolve any missing corrupted files. Lastly, reinstall the game. If none of the above works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game.